very interesting comparison here that I want to show you. I want to present to you two diamonds here in this video. Both are GIA Excellence, meaning GIA Excellent cut grades, and also the exact same color, clarity, and weight. So they're both 124s, and they're both G. And actually the one on the left is a VVS2, and the one on the right is a VS1. So clearly you could see the one on the right has more brilliance, if you didn't notice it already. Now, being both GIA Excellence, you may be wondering why that's the case. Why is one brighter, since they both have the best cut grades? One thing I could say about that is GIA's approach to cut is not necessarily black and white, meaning there could be a higher brightness in one and the other one could be on the lower end. And for the, there's a lot of diamonds that have this difference. It's just a matter of how, just knowing the experience and knowing what to look for. And also too, something that we do here at Good Old Gold is we take ASET and light scope images, and that's what you'll see on the bottom here, and that's how much light return and light leakage a diamond has. It's not necessarily goes hand in hand, doesn't necessarily go hand in hand with the cut grade. It has to do with the angles, the table, the depth. A lot of factors come into that play. Those images really will give you the best indication about its brightness without doing this kind of side-by-side comparison on every diamond that you could think of. You can't necessarily always do that, although we do that service. We do provide that service when we have the diamonds here in our store. We can do this comparison. It works very well, more so in fancy shapes. Rounds, obviously you can see that it works as well. So let's just talk about why there's a difference here. For one thing, the very same areas that show light leakage from the diamond on the left are the very same areas that show darkness. So when you look at the ASET image on the diamond on the left, you can see the light leakage right in the middle. It's like a rim around the diamond. You could see that that rim appears in the actual picture of the diamond. So to recap, these two diamonds are both GIA Excellence, also with GIA Excellent Polish and Symmetry. Same carat weight, same color, same clarity. And these could be essentially the same price too. If you do a search on a random website, you could see that they're all lumped in just as numbers. They're all GIA Excellence, they're all the same information. You really wouldn't be able to know. Sometimes you could tell, you could kind of have some indication if something may not be right about it. But here in our store, we have, these are actually our stock, so even though the one on the left is something we have in our store, at least you know what you're going to buy.
No, so what I was just explaining.
But we have in-stock diamonds with the full analysis, including those ASET images. Plus, we also have thousands of virtual diamonds that we could call in to do that analysis. So that's a service that we provide, and you'll know what you're buying. So also I want to show you in different lighting conditions. This one is more direct light, and I'm going to show you in different other lighting as well. Here's color light. You can see more brightness in that one on the right still. Not that the one on the left doesn't have any brilliance. It certainly does have some brilliance, but certainly the one on the right is definitely better.
Not very sociable about it.
Good. Can you help me with a style? I have a customer in the store asking if I can get him something.
You would like.
I'm making the render.
Hope this was helpful. Have a great day.